Hello, do you know what an addition symbol looks like? I've written some out here for you, some different symbols, and do you know which one is the addition one? Okay, so you've got ones that look like this, like a cross, and you've got a horizontal line like that, and then you've got two lines going like this, and then you've got two ones like this. So which one is the addition one? So, I'll tell you to start with, this one is not. This is for times tables questions or multiplication. So it's not that one, okay? Quite fitting to put an X there. And then you have this one, which is the subtraction sign. So it's not this one, okay? What about this one, okay? This is the equals, well done. So it can't be that one because you use that at the end of a question. So it must be this one. This is the addition one. So you could see a sum like this. It could go 10 plus, for addition, 5 equals 15, okay? So that is what an addition symbol looks like and how you use it in a question. All right, use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!